Yo, check this out, I just got a PB single of 4.53 with the Tornado V3, and I just got it on my 4th time solved, which is like very crazy. The scramble is on screen. I'll show you how I did it. I did yellow cross, and cross pieces are here. Okay, camera focus. Okay, I saw this edge and corner, so I would do this edge first, and then I align the cross, and then solve this corner, while knowing that this would be a 3 mover, this pair. And I did white U prime, D prime. I solved this pair, and I saw this as well, so I just did it straight away, and I saw this would be paired, so I did this, and this one would be paired as well. And at here I hesitated a bit. I did U and U prime and white soon. Pretty cool.